Hi, baby. Hi, welcome to my vlog again. And sorry about my throat. I'm having a sore throat, so I sound a little bit crazy, I know. But I wanted to get this video up for you guys. So here I am. I am showing you a little bit of footage about my week, because my previous vlog was about the beginning of the week, and now I will show you what I did on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So yeah, Wednesday was the first day, and I started filming my example for the DLS design team. Finally. And I showed you a little bit behind the scenes about that, so you can see how I work with my kids and stuff like that. I can't show you how exactly I make the content because that's only for subscribers. But I also took you along with filming everything. The weekend I was going on a scrapbook weekend, so I had to pack my bag, but I was really busy. So I made the example, I finished my example, edited, did a voiceover, and then I had to pack my bag on Thursday night, because Friday morning I would go to DLS Design again to help them out. And yeah, I would leave that afternoon, so I wouldn't come home anymore. So that's why I had to pack my bag in the evening. You can see how much I took. I spread everything around my living room and just pulled it in my crafting bag. I also had to bring some sleeping gear, so that's what you see as well. And I think I didn't pack that heavy because I saw others. You'll see about that. I think tomorrow they had way more stuff than I did, so that was good. Yeah, it's again a little bit of footage about the week. I was very busy this week. Yeah, I think tomorrow I will also upload my video about the weekend, and I have a scrapbooking event as well 4 days I'm gonna be at the event and give some workshops. So I'll take you along with that. Last time I asked you guys, do you want to see a vlog a day or a long vlog? And the answer was a vlog a day. So I will try and do that again. I'm not sure if I will be able to edit them in the evening, but I will do my best. So keep an eye out on that. And for now, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.